Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dulce. In today's video, I will show you 3 DIYs that you could do for your kid's birthday party. If you hear my daughter, like I say, she's awake and she hasn't slept, so she'll be a little bit crazy and talking or screaming, okay? So just ignore her. So the first DIY I'm going to do is this banner. You could get these printables at Pinterest because that's where I got them. So I got her all the letters of her first name. So in here it says Litzy. It's L-I-T-Z-Y. And I also print these 2 little triangle with the sky and Paw Patrol. For this DIY you will need a punch, a hole puncher, and some rope or ribbon, and some foam sheets and hot glue, so you could make the banner more like thicker and not like this really thin paper. Okay, so I will show you the second DIY and tell you what you need. For the next DIY, you will need more printables. I got this one, number 2, because she's turning 2. Well, she already turned 2. With Sky, because she loves Skies and Paw Patrol. I also print a Sky Shield. I print 4 of each because I'm doing 4 centerpieces for the tables. And here's another one. Like I said, I only print 4. And 4 of the Skies. And some of the little ones. Bless you, Mama. So you will need these printables, some scissors. You also need these wood sticks, so you could like glue these ones on the stick. But for these sheets that you can see that they are really thin, you could use some foam. I got these ones at the Dollar Tree, and I also have this foam, and see if these ones actually work also. These ones I got it at Walmart. And you will need 4 little cups. Well, I'm just doing 4. It depends on how many tables you're gonna decorate or put the centerpiece. So I will just use 4 because this party is not a big party. It's just mostly family members and some friends, and that's it. So I got these ones at the Dollar Tree. It has Aries and Sky, and it's the color theme of her birthday party, pink and purple. And at Walmart, I also got this tissue paper to put inside of the little cup. And then when the little design of the sky is glued on this stick, you want to put a tissue paper first, and then put a stick with the printable from Sky and all the stuff that you got, like these ones, there, and just rearrange them on how you want them to look. Okay, the third DIY that I'm going to show you is some goodie bags, because I didn't find goodie bags to put candies and little toys at the store. So what I did is bought 2 packs of plain paper bags. As you can see, these ones are purple, and I also got pink ones. And I already did this one because it was like really fast and simple. Okay, so I already did this one, so like you can see, I already printed and put her name and put second birthday party. This is a really easy DIY that you can make at whichever theme of party you are going to do. Just go to Pinterest, put Paw Patrol theme party free printables, and you will get like a bunch of types of printables. So I got this one, the one that has Sky and Aries, and I bought also some cookies, as you can see, Paw Patrol ones, and a little bit of candy and some toys to put on the goodie bag. So I think that's all the supplies that you need. I think I already said hot glue and hot glue gun and these paper bags. Like I said, it's really easy. Just glue some hot glue on it and you are okay with that. So stay tuned for the next step. Hey guys, this is how the after look it came out. Like the centerpieces are in here. These ones I put like a little balloon. As you can see, I have another one. Here's the other one. Here's all the goodie bags. You can see all the stuff that I put inside. Here's the other goodie bags. Sorry for the background noise, my kids are here, so they're awake. And I'm just finishing. Here's the goodie bags that doesn't have the little elephants like these ones. These ones actually have a little elephant and one of these toys. So I will try to give all of these to the little kids first, and if I have extra I will give some to the adults, but first comes the kids. So yeah, this is how it came out. And the banner, her name, I will put it on the bottom of the table, maybe on the middle. This hair was not gonna be like this black. I bought some table covers for it, so it doesn't look this ugly black color. So I will do that tomorrow, because tomorrow is the birthday. It's on Saturday. So yeah, this is it. Hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye everybody.